Bail application of a man accused of the murder of 14-year-old Likhona Fose is expected to continue the Roodepoort Magistrate's Court west of Johannesburg today. Now, it was postponed last week after the state indicated that new evidence had emerged. Accused Mduduzi Mnisi faces a charge of premeditated murder after Fose's lifeless body was found in a veld near Durban Deep home in May. While he has pleaded not guilty. For more, we're going to be across to SABC News reporter Puseletso Mokoena for an update. Puseletso, very good morning. As you're setting the scene ahead of that bail application hearing, tell us what we can expect, perhaps also the factors that the judge will take into consideration as that court case gets underway.
We're coming to you live from the Roodepoort Magistrate Court. As you have rightfully mentioned in your introduction, that the murder case of a 14-year-old Likhona Fose is set to take place any minute from now. We know that the mutilated body of Likhona Fose was found in a veld near her Durban Deep home a day after she was reported missing in May. Now, what do we know about the accused? The accused is a 39-year-old Mduduzi Mnisi who is out on jail on parole due to his previous convictions of robbery and attempted murder of 2005. We also know that Mnisi pleaded not guilty to the allegations, and he is sticking to his word that he doesn't know Likhona Fose. He only knew of Likhona when her death made it to the headlines. Now, we know that he also told the court that he is wrongfully accused, and also there is a footage that he can present in court as an evidence that he is wrongfully accused and that he was with his friends on the day of Likhona Fose and went on to spend the night with his girlfriend Pinky Ganzo. Now, who is Pinky Ganzo? Pinky Ganzo is a girlfriend to Mduduzi Mnisi, and she was expected to take the stand last week in court to testify about the whereabouts of Mnisi during the day of Likhona Fose's murder. That couldn't happen because the state mentioned that there is new evidence that has emerged in this court case, and they need some time to verify that evidence in order for Mnisi to continue with his bail application. Now, this is the reason why this court was postponed last week to today, and today we are expecting to hear and see what is that evidence that the state has to present in court that they have found pertaining to this case. We are also expecting to see if Mnisi will be continuing with his bail application. Talking about bail application, Lisa, we know that the NPA is sticking to its word that they will be opposing bail due to these previous convictions of Mnisi. Mnisi told the court that he will be if he gets bail, he will only be able to pay 1,000 rand because he is self-employed and he is making a living by selling clothes and by selling blankets. We also know that the family of Likhona Fose, they are hoping that the justice will prevail pertaining to this murder case of their daughter and her grandfather. Her grandfather, Tozamile Mlenze, is saying that there are more people involved in the murder case of her granddaughter.